Welcome to Stimulus Wealth Today. The Social Security Administration provides financial support to millions of Americans each month through supplemental security income and Social Security disability insurance. These programs are designed to help people who face financial or health-related challenges and rely on steady benefits for essential expenses like food, housing, and medical care. Understanding how these payments work can make a big difference for those who depend on them. Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, is a program that provides cash assistance to people who have limited income and resources. It is intended for older adults, people with disabilities, and individuals who are blind. The monthly amount varies depending on eligibility factors, including living arrangements and other sources of income. Some states add extra payments to the federal amount, which means actual benefits can differ depending on where a person lives. Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, is a separate program that pays benefits to individuals who have worked and paid Social Security taxes but can no longer work due to a serious medical condition. The amount someone receives is based on their work history and lifetime earnings, rather than financial need. In many cases, SSDI also provides benefits to eligible family members, such as children or spouses. Whenever there are updates or special adjustments in payments, the Social Security Administration announces them directly through official channels. Cost of living adjustments are one common example. These adjustments are usually announced once per year to keep payments aligned with inflation. The increase is applied automatically to both SSI and SSDI checks without requiring beneficiaries to take action. Beneficiaries sometimes notice higher deposits in their accounts, especially when adjustments take effect, or when CE or certain states provide additional supplements. However, it is important to rely only on official Social Security communications to confirm the exact amounts. The agency does not send sudden surprise payments in large amounts without prior explanation. If someone sees unusual figures being mentioned, it is best to verify them through the Social Security website or by contacting a local office. Checking your balance regularly is important, especially if you receive benefits electronically. Most beneficiaries now use direct deposit, which is safer and faster than paper checks. Direct deposit ensures funds arrive on the exact scheduled payment date. Payment schedules depend on a person's birthday or the type of benefit received. For example, SSI is generally paid on the first of the month, while SSDI follows a schedule based on the beneficiary's date of birth. If there is ever confusion about the amount deposited, contacting the Social Security Administration is the best step. The agency provides several ways for beneficiaries to get accurate information. The official website offers a secure online portal called My Social Security, where individuals can log in, view their payment history, check future payment dates, and review their records. This tool is available at all times and helps people avoid unnecessary waiting. By using this service, beneficiaries can quickly resolve questions without standing in long lines at local offices or spending hours on the phone. For those who prefer speaking directly to someone, the SSA also operates a toll-free number where representatives can assist with payment inquiries and account updates. In addition to online access, some recipients may still receive paper notices by mail. These letters are sent by the SSA to explain changes in payment amounts, eligibility updates, or important reminders about reporting requirements. Keeping these letters and reading them carefully can prevent misunderstandings. If something in a letter seems unclear, the safest option is to call the SSA directly or schedule an appointment with a local office. Recipients should also be cautious about misinformation spread through social media or unofficial websites. Stories about surprise payments, sudden benefit increases, or large lump sums often circulate online and can create false hope. For people who rely on these benefits to cover rent, groceries, and medical bills, false information can cause stress and confusion. It is important to remember that the SSA never announces major payment changes through random videos, posts, or blogs. Every official change is always shared through SSA's official website, press releases, or direct communication to beneficiaries. Misinformation can also lead to scams. Some fraudulent actors pretend to represent the SSA and may ask for personal information, banking details, or even demand payment in exchange for special benefits. The SSA never asks for money to process benefits. and it never threatens to suspend benefits by phone or email. Beneficiaries should ignore such messages, report them when possible, and only trust official SSA communication. Protecting personal information is as important as checking account balances because identity theft can cause long-term harm. Keeping track of official updates also ensures beneficiaries stay aware of eligibility rules. For supplemental security income, strict income and resource limits apply. If someone receives additional income, gifts, or changes their living arrangements, these updates must be reported. Failure to report changes can reduce benefits or even cause overpayments, which later must be repaid. For Social Security disability insurance, beneficiaries must understand the rules regarding work activity. SSDI allows limited work through trial work periods, but exceeding income thresholds may affect ongoing eligibility. By following these rules and staying informed, beneficiaries can avoid disruptions or surprises in their payments. Financial support from Social Security programs serves as a critical safety net. Millions of households depend on these benefits as their primary source of income. For some people, it is the only money available to cover everyday needs. While the monthly amounts may not always keep up with inflation, they provide a stable foundation that families can rely on. This makes it extremely important to double-check figures, monitor deposits closely, and verify unusual claims through the SSA. Being proactive helps beneficiaries maintain confidence and financial stability. The goal of SSI and SSDI is to provide consistent, dependable support rather than sudden windfalls. Cost of living adjustments are one way the SSA helps maintain the value of benefits over time. These adjustments happen once per year and are carefully calculated based on national inflation data. Increases are usually modest but meaningful for those living on fixed incomes. However, there is no program that delivers surprise lump sum payments of thousands of dollars to every recipient without prior notice. Anyone who hears about such claims should verify the information before making financial plans based on it. Reliable information and regular account monitoring are the best defenses against confusion. Beneficiaries should review their direct deposit statements, keep track of scheduled payment dates, and use their online SSA accounts to confirm amounts. Families and caregivers can also assist older or disabled relatives by helping them check balances and explain official notices. Taking these steps reduces the risk of falling for misleading rumors and helps households plan their budgets with confidence. The most important step for every beneficiary is to focus on the official source. When questions or doubts arise, the SSA itself provides the most accurate answers. By relying only on official information, beneficiaries can set realistic expectations, prepare their finances properly, and avoid unnecessary stress. Social Security programs are built to provide long-term support, and keeping trust in verified updates ensures people receive the right information at the right time. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not affiliated with or endorsed by the Social Security Administration. The information shared here is based on publicly available resources and general knowledge about supplemental security income, SSI, and Social Security disability insurance, SSDI. Benefit amounts, eligibility requirements, and payment schedules can vary depending on individual circumstances and may change over time. For the most accurate, up-to-date details about your benefits, always visit the official Social Security Administration website or contact the SSA directly. This content should not be taken as financial, legal, or government advice.